Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 6.1 question number 2. Draw rough sketches for the following. In triangle ABC, B is a median. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle. And in triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Right? Let us first draw a triangle ABC. Let us take a triangle ABC. Here we are taking a triangle ABC here. Now we change the color of the triangle, that is yellow. Right? Now if we increase this triangle, this one, now we write the name of the triangle, that is, this is A, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Right? Now we'll find the midpoint of AC. Right? For that you have to take a compass. Let us take a compass. Yes. Now with this point, let us draw an arc here. With this pointer, take this pointer at point A and increase its length and draw an arc here. Right? With this point at point C, draw another arc here. Take this pointer at point C. Right? Draw another arc here. Right? Again, take this pointer at point C and we will draw another arc. Take this pointer at point C and draw another arc here. Take this pointer at point C and draw an arc. Right? Take here, draw an arc here. Right? And take this pointer again at point A. Take this pointer again at point A and draw another arc. Right? Now if we draw this line, we'll get the midpoint of AC. Right? With a scale, take another scale. Take on a scale here. Take the scale, and if we join the midpoints of these points, then what you're getting, you see, you'll get the midpoint of AC. You'll get the midpoint of AC with this line, and if we join this line, right? Now if we join this line, We find this is the midpoint of AC. And if we write the name here, the name is E, suppose BE, right? Now if we join B with E, we are getting, with the help of the scale, we are getting the B point. We will draw this is point, that is B point with E point. Here you see. Now you can say that B is the median. Here you see that BE is a median. B is a median. B is a median of the triangle of the triangle ABC. This is question number A, right? Now we shall solve question number B. Here you see question number B is, we'll solve question number B. Now question number B is, here you see that question number B is now we shall try question number B. Here you see question number B is draw rough sketches for the following. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle, right? Let us take a triangle first. Let us take one triangle. Let us first take a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle, right? Now, if we change the color of the triangle to yellow, right, and increase this triangle, right, now we'll name of this triangle will be right. Now we'll draw the, this is the name of the triangle PQR, that is PQR. In triangle PQR, we'll do this question number B in the next video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.